Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Mellano Company.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating a field of flowers arrangement with all American-grown flowers from Mellano Company. So for today's project, we're going to create an arrangement that's representative of the Mellano family. The Mellanos are a multi-generational flower-growing family that have been growing flowers in Southern California for generations. They're probably best known for their foliages. During the California Grown Experience, we traveled to the Mellano Farm in Oceanside, California, where they grow so many of their foliages. Myrtle is probably the foliage that they're best known for. This amazing, fragrant foliage is incredible. So we'll start by adding some myrtle to our arrangement. We're using a galvanized bucket. I love these because they're sealed already, so I don't have to worry about a liner. My foam can go directly into them. And they come in all sorts of different sizes. They look great for our flower farm representation. Cutting this myrtle smells so great because it has that wonderful herbal fragrance that myrtle always does. One of the other things I remember is the eucalyptus. My friend Michelle always told me that when she was a little child, she always knew her dad was home from the fields because his hands smelled like eucalyptus, from cutting the eucalyptus all day and working with it and grating it. What a great memory. So having eucalyptus in our arrangement is really going to be important. Another fragrant foliage is agonis. I love it because of its black coloration and the fact that it has fragrance as well. It's going to cascade nicely out of one corner of our arrangement. And then we'll add some mini myrtle and some ruscus. The great part about our arrangement is it's already starting to look like the Mellano farm. The farm itself is a patchwork quilt of all different types of foliages. Plus, it's a working flower farm where they grow so many varieties of flowers. So let's gather up some Mellano flowers to add to our arrangement. our arrangement itself will be segregated, just as the flowers are growing. Our arrangement's also made to be seen all around, so we're filling in the back side as well as the front. Keeping our flowers grouped together starts to give us a great flower pattern. All the flowers you see today, liatris, sunflowers, delphinium, alstroemeria, lilac, viburnum, hypericum, dianthus, all come from the Mellano farm. The Mellano family has been in the flower business since 1925. Not only are they a working flower farm, but they're also an amazing wholesale company. You can have flowers shipped from Mellano anywhere across the country, and be confident that all the flowers you're receiving are American grown. The Mellano family is also a wholesale company located in the original LA flower market. You can get flowers from all over the world through Mellano's as well. And I've saved a place right up front for the shining star in the Mellano family, the ranunculus. The flower fields in Carlsbad are cared for by the Mellano family, and field after field of gorgeous growing ranunculus bloom every year. And we're able to experience some of those gorgeous yellow ranunculus in this arrangement today. So our flower field arrangement is all complete in our galvanized bucket filled with the flowers that the Mellano family grows. People love knowing where their flowers come from, and knowing that all of these flowers were grown in America by a flower farming family is incredible. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.